In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a triangle to a design on Visme. Let's begin by launching Visme and opening the project you're currently working on. Once you have your project open and ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Visme editor. Here, you'll notice a variety of tabs that offer different functionalities. For this task, we're going to focus on the Graphics tab, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on the Graphics tab, you'll see that it unfolds a range of categories. Scroll through these until you find the section labeled Lines and Shapes. Selecting this category will display a rich selection of geometric shapes at your disposal. Among these, you should notice an option for triangles, as Visme's Shapes library includes a variety of triangle designs. To add a triangle to your canvas, you have a couple of options. You can either simply click on the triangle, which will place it on your canvas, or if you prefer, you can click and drag the triangle shape directly onto your canvas. Either method will add the shape to your design space, allowing you to work with it further. Now that we have the triangle on our canvas, it's time to modify it to suit your design needs. To resize the triangle, look for the blue handles that appear on the edges of the shape. You can click and drag these to adjust the size of the triangle, making it larger or smaller depending on your design requirements. Additionally, to maintain the proportions and ensure it stays a true equilateral or isosceles triangle, it's helpful to use the Lock Proportions feature. This tool assists in keeping the dimensions balanced as you resize. Next, let's dive into formatting. With the triangle selected, turn your attention to the Properties panel, usually located on the right side of the Visme editor. Here, you have creative control to modify the fill color of your triangle. Additionally, you can adjust the border, sometimes referred to as the stroke, by changing its color and thickness to better blend with or complement your overall design. Finally, it's time to position the triangle exactly where you want it on your canvas. Click and hold the triangle, then drag it to your desired location. Visme includes helpful alignment guides and a Snap To feature, which become visible as you move the triangle. These tools are incredibly useful for ensuring your shapes and elements are precisely aligned within your design. By following these steps, you can effectively add a customized triangle to your Visme project, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal of your design, but also your overall proficiency with Visme's creative tools. Enjoy crafting visually compelling projects with these tips in mind, and explore further possibilities within the Visme platform to elevate your design experience.